Hi everyone, this is Lily and we are here at this beautiful Hologa and the stadium is out here in Henderson. Oh, what's the name of the stadium? What's the name of the stadium? What's the name of the stadium? It's anyway, Henderson. Yeah, it's got a name. Hi love, what's the name of the stadium?
So this is called the Trust Stadium.
Auckland Trust Stadium. Yeah, so here we are. We should know better than the Auckland Trust Stadium. But look at all the beautiful colours here today. Oh, yellow. Look at that. Oh, look at that colour. Hello. Oh, beautiful colours. Oh my goodness me. Look at these beautiful colours. Oh, there's Paula. There's my cousin. Hey, Kalafatu. I'm just doing my video, going around and capturing everyone. Who are you? Kohenga Kalahau? Oh, nice. Kohenga hau? Yeah, hoka manga fe. Hey. Kohenga matuhau mapola. Oh, beautiful. I hope you have a good day today. I just turned. And kohaya kai. I am. I'm over there. I'm for toy today.
Oh.
I'm for toy. I'm going on my husband's side. Yeah. I'm going with the toy today. Yeah. Kokoini, kafe kaka. Okay. Oh, capturing everyone. How lovely. Look at the sea of colors. Purple, red. Oh. Capturing. Just beautiful.
Okay.
Hola. Kalafatu kia mua. Yeah, what's are you Lakepa? Oh, you got beautiful colors. So what are you guys gonna have a good day today? Yes, good one. That's wonderful.
Hello.
Hi, Kalafatu. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Hey, I'm trying to capture everyone. What beautiful colors, eh? Yes. Look at this, eh? Wish you were here today. This is going to be so awesome here today. It's so awesome. This is just the beginning. We're going to start marching. Start marching first. And most of the people are wearing their uniforms. Oh, they look lovely. This is the food area. Oh my goodness. It's so packed. Oh, well, it will be. It will be. Hi. Hello. Tamakotonga. Hi. What are you guys selling?
We're selling steak rolls and hot dogs.
Oh, that sounds really nice. That's just the starting, eh? You got enough food to last the day? You got enough food to last for the whole day? Oh, that's good. So here are the stores. Here's the Auckland Trust Stadium. Oh, look at all this Look at all this food here. My coconut bread. $12. Rotis, oh, fruits and that's nice. What else you selling, love?
McMuffins, watermelon, roti, bread, coconut bread, drinks.
Oh, nice. What's your hot meal?
Curry.
Oh,
The curry and rice. Steak and
nice.
mushroom.
That sounds really good. Nice, and nachos as well. There you go. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. Are you not in the performance? Oh, nice to see you. You off? You're off?
Yeah.
Oh, so good.
Oh, you too. Oh my God.
I'm in the
Going
toy. I'm going for the toy group.
Are you going to Poli?
Yes, I'm in the toy group. I'm near Hakupu last. Oh, I was Hakupu last year, but this year I'm going for toy. My husband's not a toy, but they've got like yeah.
I'll be at work.
Oh,
I'll cheer for you.
oh, good on you. I see you, eh? Yeah. Sorry, love.
Sorry, love.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, look at all this food. Whaklawhatu. Yeah. That's all that food looks delicious, eh? Nice. And all this one here. There's another stall here. Woo! Another stall here. Here's everyone here.
Xavier, are you matching?
Green banana.
Are you in the parade?
Green banana luau. Oh, cinnamon buns. That's it. That's their food here. Kapai, Auckland. Thanks for yours. Oh, right. See what those guys are doing. Oh my gosh, it's more. See color. Look at that. Hakupu. What? Hakupu Atua Trust? Oh, right. Hey. Hey. Whaklawhatu. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I see you later. Where are we going? And that's us for today.